Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to say one, only one in 100 different languages. Let's hear how the number one sounds across the planet. Ready? Let's go. English one, Telugu ఒకటి, Tamil ఒన్ను, కన్నడ ఒండు, హిందీ ఏక్, జర్మన్ ఎనిష్, ఫ్రెంచ్ అన్, స్పానిష్ uno, Portuguese Italian uno, Dutch in, Swedish it, Norwegian in, Danish in, Icelandic in, Irish eon, Scottish Gaelic eon, Welsh an, Albanian nj, Armenian mek, Arabic Wahid, Amharic and Azerbaijani Bir, Afrikaans in, Bengali Ek, Bosnian Zdan, Bulgarian Endo, Belarusian Adzin, Basque Bat, Burmese Tat, Berber Yan, Balochi Yek, Mandarin Chinese Yi, Cantonese Yat, Croatian Zedan, Czech Zedna, Catalan An, Khmer Mui, Cebuano Usa, Zonka Chig, Divehi Eki, Estonian Ux, Esperanto Unu, Tigrinya Head, Finnish Yeksi, Filipino Isa, Farsi Yek, Fijian Dua, Haitian Creole Yon, Greek Ina, Gujarati Ek, Georgian Irti, Hebrew Ichad, Hausa Daya, Hungarian Iji, Indonesia Satu, Igbo Otu, Inuktitut Atausik, Japanese Ichi, Javanese Siji, Korean Hana, Kurdish Yek, Kazakh Bir, Kyrgyz Bir, Kinyarwanda Rimwo, Latin Unus, Leo Nyung, Latvian Viens, Lithuanian Venus, Lingala Moko, Mongolian Neg, Malay Satu, Maltese Vihad, Macedonian Eden, Maori Tahi, Navojo Talati, Ormo Toko, Pasto Ya, Polish Jeden, Papiamento An, Russian Odin, Romanian Unu, Rundi Rimbu, Sinhala Eka, Slovak Zeden, Slovenian Ina, Somali Al, Swahili Maja, Sanskrit Eka, Thai Nanj, Tibetan Chig, Turkish Bir, Ukrainian Odin, Uzbek Bir, Vietnamese Mot, Yoruba Okan, Quechua Hak, Tajik Yak, Wolof Ben, Zulu Kunye. And that's one in 100 languages. Tell me in the comment which language yours. Thank you for watching.